Ultimea Poseidon D50 Soundbar. Main features are universal port architecture, houses standard HDMI ARC, optical input, 3.5 mm AUX, and USB input lanes to fit effortlessly with modern televisions and gaming hubs. Bluetooth 5.3 guarantees a low latency, stable wireless connection footprint for streaming media straight from tablets or smartphones. Compact, low-profile footprint. The main soundbar measures a compact 15.7 inches in length and 2.8 inches in height, fitting snugly below short television stands without blocking screen sights. Hybrid speaker wiring. The subwoofer pairs wirelessly to the front soundbar unit. The rear satellites connect back to the subwoofer using a long, color-coded 19.6-foot, 6-meter RCA cable system. 6 native hardware tuning modes. Fast toggling profiles directly on the remote or app for movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night filtering. Surround X upscaling algorithm. Converts standard 2.0 stereo PCM audio into multi-channel 5.1 surround layouts on the fly. Smart Ultimea app control. Integrates directly with the Ultimea smartphone app. This unlocks a massive 121 preset equalizer matrix categorized into rock, pop, classical, and bass profiles. 5.25 inches subwoofer with Bass MX features a dedicated subwoofer pack with proprietary Bass MX technology to supply punchy low-frequency resonance and rumble. 320W peak/400W room-filling power. Delivers strong, room-filling sound that vastly outperforms built-in television speakers. Ultimea Poseidon D50 is an entry-level, budget-friendly 5.1-channel home theater system engineered to deliver true physical surround sound. Priced at a highly accessible entry point of around $120 to $130.